Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question number 2 is state by writing first 4 terms the expansion of the following when modulus of B is less than modulus of A. The sub question 1 is A minus B whole bracket raise minus 3. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with the question that A minus B whole bracket raise minus 3. The next step will be, now here we take A common from the bracket. So we get A in bracket 1 minus B upon A whole bracket raise minus 3 is equal to, now this gives us A raise minus 3 into 1 minus B upon A whole bracket raise minus 3. Now here, by using binomial theorem for any index we have, so here we write formula that 1 minus x whole bracket raise n is equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square minus n bracket n minus 1 into n minus 2 whole thing divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus going on. Now in this formula we put x equal to b upon a and n equal to minus 3. Therefore, the next step will be is equal to a raised minus 3 in bracket we have 1 minus in bracket minus 3 into b upon a plus minus 3 in bracket minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into b upon a the whole square minus minus 3 in bracket minus 3 minus 1 second bracket minus 3 minus 2 whole thing divided by 3 factorial into b upon a whole bracket cube plus going on, and finally the square bracket completed. So the next step will be is equal to a raised minus 3 we write as it is. In bracket we have 1, then minus minus plus 3b upon a then plus we have minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1, that gives minus 4 upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into b upon a the whole square, that gives b square upon a square. Then minus 3 we write as it is, minus 3 minus 1 that gives minus 4 into minus 3 minus 2 that gives minus 5 upon 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 into b upon a whole cube, that gives b cube upon a cube, plus dot dot going on, and finally the square bracket completed. So is equal to a raise minus 3 in bracket 1 plus 3b upon a. Now minus minus we get plus. Then if you go for cancellation, that 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 into 2, that gives us 6 b square upon a square. Then minus minus plus, plus into minus minus, and minus into again minus, so that gives us plus. We cancel 3 from numerator and denominator. Then again we go for cancellation, that 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 5, 10 into b cube upon a cube, and plus going on. So in this way, first four terms are given as a raised minus 3 in bracket 1 plus 3b upon a plus 6b square upon a square plus 10b cube upon a cube plus going on. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.